What if you could go from barely getting any views to waking up with a viral video hitting hundreds of thousands or even millions of views? It's happening to creators right now. But most people don't understand why. Is it just luck? Is it about posting as many shorts as possible? Is YouTube secretly favoring creators over others? Therefore today, I'm breaking it all down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why YouTube Short can blow up your channel, the mistakes stopping you from growing, and how to use this strategy effectively to gain views and subscriber fast. But here's the catch. There's a right way and a wrong way to do this. If you get it right, your channel could explode. If you get it wrong, you'll just be wasting your time. So let's get into it. Why YouTube Short are exploding? YouTube Short are blowing up for a reason. It's YouTube answering TikTok and Instagram Reel. But it's actually more powerful than both because YouTube is prioritizing short in a way that no other platform does. Think about this. YouTube Short doesn't just get pushed to random people. They actually feed directly into YouTube ecosystem. That means a viral short doesn't just bring in views, it brings in subscriber, boost your long form video, and tell YouTube algorithm to push your content. Therefore, if you know how to use short the right way, you're not just getting quick views, you're setting up yourself for long-term growth. But there's a big misconception here. A lot of people think just posting random short will make them go viral. That's not true. So let's talk about the 3 big secrets behind viral YouTube short and how you can start using them today. Step 1, the hook matters more than anything. The first and most important rule of YouTube Short is this: you have to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. But most creators completely ignore this. They start their short too slow, too boring, or no clear reason for people to stay. Therefore, YouTube just stop pushing those videos. Let me put it this way. When people scrolling through shorts, they don't know you. They don't care about you, your content. You have milliseconds to hook them. So how do you do it? 3 powerful hooks that work every single time. A shocking statement. Start with something sound unbelievable but make people curious. For example, this one mistake is killing your YouTube channel. Step 2, ask a question that get viewers thinking instantly. For example, have you ever wonder why your short never go viral? Step 3, an open loop. Start a story without finishing it right away. Example, I tested 3 viral short strategy and the result shocked me. But where most people mess up, they get the hook right, but then they lose people within 5 seconds. Therefore, let's move on to step 2 and how to keep people watching once they're hooked. So let's say you hook the viewers. Now what? Here's the harsh truth. Getting people to watch the first 3 seconds is easy. Getting them to stay where most people fail. But here's the thing. Short are not about length. They're about engagement. Therefore, you need to structure your videos in a You need to structure your video in a way that consistently keep people watching. Here's what you do. Fast-paced editing, cut out all dead hair, every second needed to have motion. Zoom or text. Tease the ending, gives them a reason to stay until the last second. Example, stick around because I'll reveal the #1 mistake that's stopping your short from going viral. Break it into steps. People love step-by-step content. Here are 3 reasons your short aren't getting views. But even if you do all of this right, there's still more things that makes or break your success. Therefore, let's talk about step 3 and why consistency beat everything else. Step 3, you have to play the number game. The final key to blowing up with YouTube Short is volume. But before you start posting 10 shorts a day, let me explain what I mean. Here's the deal. Not every short you post is going to go viral. That's just a fact. Therefore, you need enough data to know what's working. The creators who are blowing up aren't just guessing, they're testing what's worked best for them. Posting at least 3 to 5 shorts per week, analyzing what's getting the best watch time, doubling down on what works, and improving it. But here's the best part. Once you crack the code, 1 viral short can change everything. Therefore, the real question is, are you willing to be consistent until that happens? Remember to smash that like button, guys, and subscribe for more. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Let's recap. Your hook matters more than anything. You have 3 seconds to grab attention and make it count. Retention is everything. Fast cut, open loop, and teasing the end keep people watching. Consistency wins in the long run. The more short you post, the more chance you have to blow up. But I know you're thinking, what if I do everything right, but my shorts still don't get no views? Therefore, in my next video, I'll break down the biggest mistake, killing your short, and how to fix them. So if you want to go viral fast, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, because you won't want to miss this.